Hey, let's learn about nouns in just 60 seconds. A noun is a word that names a person, place, thing, or idea. Basically, nouns are names of everything around us. Common noun, general things like dog, city, book. Proper noun, specific names, always capitalized. For example, John, London, YouTube. But abstract noun ideas or feelings such as love, happiness, freedom. Collective noun, a group of things or people, for instance, a team, a family, a flock. Let's see them in action. The cat is sleeping. I visited Paris. She feels joy. The class is going on a trip. That's a noun in under a minute. Like, subscribe, and keep learning English with me.